Okay, Kathy. Yeah, just taking a quick video here for you. And I don't see any obvious openings up here, but I suspected the membrane has failed. It's very old, as you can see. Got a lot of cracks here, so that water could come through there, right here, and so on and so forth. So, I suspect probably being a good idea to just go ahead and put a new roof on this. But the good thing about it is it's a very small section. You can see it's sectioned off from this roof, so we don't have to do like 2 and 3 roofs like what we're doing in the past on some of the other units, like you see over there. This one is individual right here, as you can see. So it's isolated. So we'll give you a quote to put a new roof covering over top of this. Kathy, I just noticed something on this side where the drain is, but you also still got cracks here, massive cracks. But yeah, the drain is pretty caked up here, as you can see. So I think that's probably what the problem is. So we'll make sure we get it, catch the leak 100%. So just cleaning out the drain, snicking the drain out, and then we can put a new roof covering over top of this and be done with it for you. Okay, over and out.